You think you're young. You think you're early. You think you have time. But here's the truth. Time is the one thing that never pauses, while your life is filled with delays. You delay your dreams, you delay your happiness, you delay your purpose, because you believe there will always be a later. But there won't. Not forever. Not even for long. We wake up every morning like time owes us something. We complain about Monday, we rush through Friday, we say I'll start next week, we say not now, we say one day. But tell me this, where did last year go? What did you finish? Who did you become? Look at your goals, your plans, your dreams, still waiting for you in the same place you abandoned them, because you are busy watching others live the life you were too scared to start. That's the lie. That we have plenty of time to begin later, to fix things later, to love later. But later is not a promise. It's a gamble, and most people lose. One day, life hits you with a lesson you never asked for. The doctor says it's serious. A parent doesn't wake up. The opportunity expires. The person you love walks away. You look around and suddenly realize everything you thought you'd do one day is no longer possible. Time didn't ask for your permission. Time didn't give you a warning. Time just took, silently, quickly, permanently. Let me tell you about Isaac. He wasn't lazy. He was just waiting. Waiting for motivation. Waiting for confidence. Waiting for time to be right. He loved photography. He dreamed of traveling the world, capturing stories with his camera. But every time he wanted to start, he convinced himself, I'm not ready yet. I'll start next month. I need better equipment. I need more savings. Excuse after excuse. Delay after delay. Time heard him. Time smiled and kept walking. 5 years passed. His dreams remained where he left them, in his head. He got a job. Same place. Same routine. Same conversations. Every day looked like the last one. He became a master at wasting time productively. Busy, but not fulfilled. Alive, but not living. One evening, Isaac got a call. His father collapsed. Heart attack, emergency. At the hospital, he held his father's hand, shaking, tears filling his eyes. His father whispered with a broken smile, I'm proud of you. I always believed you'd become something great. Isaac froze. He wanted to scream, but Dad, I haven't done anything. He wanted to confess how much he wasted, how much he postponed, how much he never became, but he stayed silent. There are no words strong enough to fix lost time. His father closed his eyes. Machines beeped. Time took again. Grief changes people. It forces them to face the mirror. Isaac realized his father died believing in a version of him that never existed. He had a camera. He had a dream. He had time, but he didn't use it. What is more painful than regret? What is more expensive than wasted time? What is more tragic than potential never lived? Isaac decided this pain will not be wasted. He woke up early, not for work, but for himself. He took pictures, he posted them, he showed up, he practiced, he failed, he learned, he kept going. He wasn't perfect, but he was present. Every picture he took felt like a conversation with the time he once ignored. Every sunrise reminded him, I got another chance. Someone else didn't. Listen carefully. Stop waiting. Stop delaying. Stop letting fear negotiate your destiny. Because the world doesn't care how much potential you have if you never use it. The idea you keep postponing could be the idea that changes everything. The love you take for granted could disappear in a heartbeat. The time you think you own is already leaving you. Every day that ends is a day you can never return to, a version of you that will never exist again. Start right now, not when you're ready. Readiness is a myth. You become ready by beginning. Not when you feel confident. Confidence comes from action. Not when you have everything. You build with what you have. Pick the dream that scares you the most and take the first step today. Call the person before time steals the chance. Forgive before regret becomes permanent. Live like the clock is your enemy. Because it is. If you died tomorrow, how would your story read? Here lies someone who wanted a lot, but did nothing. Or, here lies someone who used every second like it mattered. Time has one rule. If you don't use it, you lose it. You have one life, one chance, one moment, and it is happening right now. So stop waiting. Start living. Before time decides your story's over. If this hits your heart, don't just scroll away. Tap subscribe if you choose to stop wasting your time. Comment, starting today I choose action. Share this with someone who still thinks time will wait for them.